Hello everyone. So today we are going to unravel the simplicity and the beauty of linear search algorithm. It's like finding your favorite book on an unorganized shelf. Here take a look of this example. We are on a mission to find number 12. Now how do we do it with linear search? Linear search is a straightforward approach. We start at the beginning and check each element one by one. So here you can see there is a list. It contains 8 elements. So first we will be comparing the search element 12 with array index 0. That is the first element of the list. So we are comparing 12 with 65. As this is not matching, so we will move to the next element. Again we will compare the search element 12 with the next element, which is 20. Both are not matching, so we will move to the next element. Similar way we will keep on doing this till the time we are not reaching to the exact element. When we will compare search element 12 with the element 12, there we hit the bingo and we will print on the screen that we have found the element on this particular index. So here you can see we have found the element on index number 5. If the element is not at all present in the list, let us suppose instead of 12 I want to search 100. Now 100 is not present in the list, so I will keep on traversing it till the time my array is not ending. So when I will be done traversing till the 7th index of the list and the index will increase to 8, I will understand that the list is over and the element is not present in the list. So same thing we will understand with the help of the code. So here I'm giving two codes for you people. One without function, so it's a simple code where I have not used any function concept, and one with function. So let's begin with this example without function. Here as you can see we are declaring the elements. These elements are of integer type. So one flag variable found I have, which I'm initializing to 0. As soon as I will get the element in the list, I will make this found value to 1. So it will indicate that we have found the element. We are taking an integer type array and the maximum size for that array we are giving as 10. There are other variables also like key, position. For loop I am taking I, and for taking the number of elements in the array we are taking n as a variable. Now we are asking user to enter the number of elements, how much size we want for the array. So the user is entering a value and that value we are storing in the variable n. For example, user enters 5. So my n value will be 5. In that case, my array will take 5 elements, that is 0 to 4. So here we will be entering the value inside the array with the help of the for loop. So here the loop starts from 0 and it will go till 4. As the index of array starts with 0, we always run less than the given item. So a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4 all together will be 5 elements. Each element when the user is entering, with the help of scanf function we will read that, and as it is integer type value we are using the format specifier as %d, and we are storing it at the address of a of I. So here when the value of array I is equals to 0, it will store at arr 0. That is the first element. Then it will get incremented, value of I will become 1 and the value which user will enter will store at arr 1. This will keep on happening for arr 4. Till arr 4 we will enter the element. After that comes which elements we want to search. So we are asking user to enter the element which we want to search, and that we are storing in a variable with name key. Now we will be writing the search procedure. Here as you can see we will be again starting the loop from I is equals to 0. I should be less than n and we are incrementing the loop and we are checking the value in the array. So first we will check arr 0, then we will compare it with our key element. The element which we want to search is inside key. If they both match, I will make found is equals to 1. Found is nothing but my counter variable. If I'm not able to do this, I will keep on incrementing the I value till the time my list is not ending. That is, I should be less than equals to n. Once I reach till n, we will come out from this loop. Now let us suppose we found the element. In that case, the counter element we are making 1, and we are taking a position variable also, because we want to print the index also. So for that we are taking position is equals to I plus 1, because usually we say 4th location or 5th location, but our array index starts with 0, so it will be always, we will increment it with 1. So for example, if here I have a array like this, let us suppose I have array with 3 elements only. So that means what? A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, 3 elements. And let us suppose the element which I was looking is present here. Now in that case, my found will become 1 when ARR value is 1. Fine, but actually it is the second element usually when we talk. So that's why we are doing I plus 1. So here I value is 1, and 1 plus 1 means we will say it is present on the second number, 1 and 2. That's why we are doing position is equals to I plus 1. Then we will, as soon as I will get the element, with the help of break statement, we will come out from the loop. Now here with conditional operator if, we are checking if found is equals to 1, that means we found the element. We are printing on what position we found the element. Else we are printing that the element is not present in the list. If found is not 1, that means found is still 0, we didn't found the element. That's why we are printing search element is not found. Now same code if we want to see with the help of function. Here you can see the difference. In the main function, I'm directly initializing the list which was given to me. So we are creating an array with the name list. Now here this list will take 8 elements, as you can see. So size of this list is 8. And I want to search the element 12. So I am taking a variable with name s element, that is my search element, and I am writing it as 12. Now here when I will get the search element, I will get index from my function. So here I am calling this function. As you can see, I have a function with name lsearch. Here is my function lsearch, and this function I am passing 3 arguments. One, that is this array. My array name is list. Another, the size of the array. I have 8 elements. And then this search element which I want to search. So that variable is s element. Now here when an array is coming as an argument, I need same type of array to hold the value. So here I am again creating an array with name ARR of integer type. So this list array, this entire array with name list will be coming here, and it will be assigned to this ARR. This size 8 is coming in the variable n, and this s element is coming here. Again I am taking the same variable name s element. So here all this data is coming as soon as I am calling this function. Now again we are putting the loop. The array index starts with 0. It should be go till less than 8, that is it will run 7 times, 0 to 7. If I get the element, that means if ARR I, when I become 0, I become 1, I become 2, like this, when this value is equals to my search element, that particular value of I means that particular index I am returning. So here let us suppose I found the element 12. Now here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. On 5th index I will find this element. So I value become 5, and I am returning 5 from here. Now this I is of integer type. That's why here also I need a variable which is of integer type to hold the data. So that I value is coming inside this variable index. Here after this, with the help of if, we are checking if index is not equals to -1, that means index has some value. Now here my index is 5. So we are printing the index that the element is found on this particular index. So how we will be printing the message that the element, which is what, 12, found at index 5. That's why we are using 2 times format specifier %d. This %d is taking the value from S element, and this %d is taking the value from index. Else, if the element we don't found, that means what, we are returning, once this entire loop ends, we are returning -1. Once this index get -1, that means I will not enter inside this if statement, I will come to the else statement. In the else statement, we are simply printing that the element is not found in the list, and this program will end. So let's see the advantage and disadvantage of linear search. It is very simple to implement. Sequentially, we are searching the element one after another till the time the list is having the element. It is very good for small data set. If you are having small data set, it's very good, because let us suppose the element is present on the last, then the worst case complexity will be big O of n. And let us suppose the element is not at all present in the list, then also your time is going in traversing each and every element of the list. And the biggest advantage it has, that no requirement of data to be sorted. So other algorithms work on sorted data set, whereas linear search works on unsorted data set. So this is one of the biggest advantage, that we don't have to sort the data. If we talk about disadvantage, as I told, it is not sufficient for a large data set. It is not very efficient. It doesn't work well with large data set. The time complexity in worst case scenario is big O of n, and it is slower as compared to other searching algorithm. So that's all. Here hopefully you understood everything about linear search. Linear search may not be the fastest, but definitely it is the most fundamental searching algorithm for sorted arrays. There are many faster searching algorithm, but when it comes to unsorted array, linear search works the best. So if you have enjoyed this walkthrough for linear search, just smash that like button, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Drop your questions, or if you like to see any next topic, so do comment below. Happy coding. Thank you.